am Shalini Jagrati, student of Regional Institute of Education, Mysuru. Today, we are going to learn about various types of senses. Do you know how we are able to perceive the various informations from the surroundings? To receive the various informations, we have 5 amazing senses. These are the sense of sight, smell, taste, hearing and touch. Some birds like kites, eagles, vultures can see 4 times farther than we can. These birds can see a grasshopper from a distance of 80 meters, whereas humans can see the same grasshopper from a distance of just 20 meters. Have you ever been playing in your room and all of a sudden your nose tells that the mother is preparing a delicious food? Thus, our nose works as a super sensor through which we can sense the smell of various things around us. Every day, we smell several things around us. The smell of different things helps us to recognize the item we smell. And the nose is the organ which helps in this function. Some smells are pleasant. For example, the smell of a flower, perfume, etc. While other smells are very bad, like unwashed socks and garbage bin. Do you think that animals also have the sense of smell? Yes, animals can also smell through nose. Some animals have stronger sense of smell than humans. Can you name some animals? Let us see an example. So, you saw that even animals do have a strong sense of smell. Dog is one of such animal. Dogs are used by police for finding the bombs and evidences for catching the criminals. This is possible because of the strong sense of smelling that dogs have. Thus, the sense of smell of these animals are useful to us. Similarly, ants are able to trace their way back home by recognizing the smell of a chemical called pheromone, which was left behind on the way. Ants are also able to recognize their own family members by the particular smell they have. Okay, so let us start discussing about super senses with Bounty, Ananya and Aditya. When we are looking at an object, we are using the sense of sight. Both our eyes are located in the front of the head so that we can focus on one particular object.
What about fish? They are having their eyes on the either side of the head.
Okay, so let us answer her question by looking at this specimen. Look at this fish. It is having eyes on the either side of the head, isn't it? So, when it is focusing on an object which is in the front, both the eyes can focus on it. But when it is trying to focus objects on either side, the eyes can focus individually. Even most of the birds are having eyes in this fashion, that is on the either side of the head, so that it can focus on 2 different objects. Students, So do you all want to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, let us start. Here are few solutions. You people have to drink and tell how it tastes. Okay? Yes, Aditya.
It feels sweet.
So it feels sweet to Aditya. Ananya, will you try?
Yes. It feels salty.
So it feels salty to you. Bounty, now you try.
It feels sour.
Okay, so it feels so to you. So how are we able to identify the various tastes? Beneath our nose, we have the mouth. And inside the mouth, we have the tongue. Tongue is having 10,000 taste buds, which helps us to recognize various tastes like sweet, salty, sour and also bitter. Now let us go outside and explore few more things.
Yes, madam.
While the sense of sight, hearing and smell uses our body parts, the sense of touch happens all over the body. So let us do an activity. We'll blindfold you people and you have to touch few things and tell us how it feels to you. So let us start with Ananya. Touch the item which is in front of you.
It feels rough and hard.
So it feels rough and hard to Ananya. Bounty, you touch the item and tell how it feels to you.
It feels very soft.
It feels soft to Bounty. Aditya, how it feels to you?
It feels cold and wet.
It feels cold and wet to Aditya. So can you recall the senses?
Sense of sight,
Sense of smell. Sense of taste.
sense of touch.
Sense of hearing.
So these were the 5 amazing senses and I hope you all enjoyed learning it. Thank you students and viewers.